Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the level on your iPhone camera. So basically when you're taking a photo on your iPhone, you will notice when the level is off, there is no line that pops up to help you to make sure that you have a level photo. But when we add that on, you will see the difference. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that we want to go ahead and do is open the settings on our iPhone. And when we open the settings, we want to go ahead and scroll down until we see the camera option. Go ahead and select camera. Then on the next screen, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option right down here under the section for composition. And then you're going to see the level option here, and you're going to toggle that on. Now, if we go back to our camera, we can see how this looks. And if you try to level or line up a photo, once you get close to lining it up, you're going to see these little lines that pop up here, and it will turn yellow on that line once it is level. Then you can go ahead and take your photo. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.